I don't know how long the microphone was unplugged for, but here we are. Hello, friends. Here's your video scavenger hunt. I'm going to show you a couple things to do this, but it's also going to make your life easier in ways you can't even fathom at this point, because searching with Google, if you are good at it, can solve so many problems. I can't tell you how many people I've helped out just by being able to do a clever Google search. So this first one, extreme long shot. Want to put the GIF here. Okay, well, we first got to find one. So paste, enter, because I copied it from the assignment. And images. Now, this is where most people you end up. You might put GIF into here, into the search bar. The better thing to do is go to Tools. So something that saves me on a fairly constant basis is size. If you go large, you won't get that potato quality photo that's super blurry. I mean, sure, if you're making your dank memes, great, and your deep fried memes, yeah, you want the blurry, pixelated, trash potato. But if you actually want to make things look good, for like ultra ironic memes, large is the way to go. However, in this instance, the size don't matter, it is the type, which we want a GIF. And look at that. Now all the results are GIFs. That Shrek one's kind of scary. So, wow, people are just remarkable. Someone spent a significant amount of time making that. All right, so here we go. Look at this. Lawrence of Arabia. Okay, I've never seen it myself. Personally, Google used to have this awesome feature called View Image. So on my personal Google Chrome extension, I've added that, and it's literally called View Image right there. So if you want to go to the App Store to get it, it saves a lot of time because I can just go boop, and there it is. And this is the type of page you want to get to. However, if you don't have it and you click on this, sites like this, Tenor is just awful. Well, a lot of them are awful. I shouldn't just single out Tenor, because as I'll show you in a minute, usually you can right click and then open the image and then get a link like this, which is very easily embeddable onto the Google document. However, because these sites just desperately need attention, you can't do that. If you Giffer, for example, you can copy the link and that will work. It's sort of the same as copying this up here. And then to put this in correctly, I don't just go paste, because that's not what I want. You go, make sure your mouse is right there, the flashy thing. Insert image from the web by URL. Paste here, insert ship all bang up. Now, that's to do it with one of them hosting sites. Now, last night when I tried to do it, somebody needed some help. I was helping them out, trying to find a Sid the Science Kid GIF. Ended up on Tenor and could not, for the life of me, I was on my phone, but normally even then you could just hold on it, open in a new tab. You couldn't do that. It always had to be like the Tenor thing around it. You couldn't get the thing where it's just the GIF like you can here. So you may run into you can. It would be very technical to break it down. So for the sake of ease, I would just find another one in that situation. However, if we go to another one, what do we want to try? Some zolly. Okay. I can just, the GIF thing's still highlighted. So I just hit zolly. Kaboom! Here we go. Now I just need to find a site. I don't need to throw things. I just need to find a site that has a zolly. Okay. So again, like if I have the extension, I could do that. sometimes it doesn't work like that. Yeah, that'll happen. Yeah. So, here's the zolly. Right-click. Open image in new tab. Look at that. Because somebody, you can see up here, somebody has uploaded this GIF to their website. And now we're just going to take this link, copy it. Where does it say zolly? Right here. Insert image by URL. Paste. Insert. Welcome to Earth. Questions, comments, concerns. So this is what you want your spreadsheet document to look like. The reason for that is it's an easy reference to how things should look or could look. If you wanted to do a zolly, that's a great example. You'd have it readily available. Plus, in you doing this, you are going to most likely remember it significantly better than doing a worksheet or something of that nature. All right? Go for it, friends.